All right, next up we're on the skullshaver.com website, and they got these Pitbull Pro shavers, and they got the silver, the gold, the platinum. I got the platinum, of course. I always like to buy the nicest, and it says it's $209. It's usually $249. I think I got it for a little bit cheaper than that. I'm not sure exactly how much. I don't feel like looking it up. It's not too much cheaper. I mean, if I paid $150 or something, that's a really good deal. Anyways, I know I didn't pay more than this. So let's check this out. I got the Pitbull Platinum Pro. So I've seen a commercial of this, or there's videos actually online of this. And it seems like the best head shaver there is, basically. And I have long hair right now, at least in the back. I had a mohawk, but cut off the front. So I still got the back. It's almost like a mullet. But I'm gonna cut that off pretty soon, and then I'm just gonna be completely bald. So I'm gonna be using this thing. You can use it in the shower, it's waterproof. So that's really cool. And seems like it's just really quick compared to, I have a roommate that shaves his head almost every day, and I hear him doing that. It takes him at least 5 minutes. This thing, I'm sure you could do it in a couple minutes in the shower. I mean, it might take you 5 minutes, but you could do it in the shower. And that's like the coolest part about it, I think. So you're just supposed to hold it like this, I guess. Your knuckles, something like that. Just do that and just rub it on your head. So it's pretty light. It's really light, actually. I thought it would be heavier, but it's not. So like I said, I'm pretty sure this is about as good as you're gonna get. It's top of the line. I like high quality, top of the line stuff, because you know, when you buy cheap stuff, it falls apart. You end up wasting your money. So usually you get what you pay for. It comes with this little bag, it looks like. And I guess you throw it in there to go. And this goes like this or something. What the hell is this for? Looks like a blender. Like a Cuisinart or something, or what the hell you call those things? The things every lady wants for their kitchen. They're pretty nice. Comes with the little charger stuff, which is a plus. And then this travel case. I don't know if this whole thing fits in the travel case. Yeah, I guess a laminated off came in there, so I guess it does. But we'll see. I mean, I'm not gonna use it. I'm not doing reviews. I thought it was cool. I am gonna be using it in a month or two here. Or a couple months, something like that. It's got a little brush too, a little mesh thing. But I think I'll like it. Hopefully it works as good as it looks like it works in the little videos they got. So, I mean, if you shave your head or whatever, I'd recommend getting it, I guess. I don't know. I mean, I don't think you need the platinum one, but if it saves time, might be worth it. All right, let me know what you think. Thanks.